Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. So in today's video we are going to discuss how we can make our PC or laptop faster in a single step. So let's find out. We will first go on start icon and open settings. Here we can see systems. We will click on here and we'll go for storage. In storage we can find the storage sense, so we will first of all turn on the storage sense. Then in the second step we can go on configure storage sense. Here we will set it on every week or every day, and by doing this simple step we can increase the speed of our laptop or our PC. I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.